Hi, GC News. Mema Obia Akwawa had the latest and hot news in one and the Bremo and Uti Sewunya subscribe ya body and say over subscribe. Now like no say video. Yobayana say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. When sa video ya upload no. Also when sa can be. I feel we are one like the video give us a thumbs up now feel share just say was so na e na amount for so enye bi na wo hwe na wone hu de ekoso ewo gara man ho ano afi ye hwe ensema abeto bo ye poso enti eye ensemu ya ababeto be
Bawumia nka no kure na po ejimijimi at the end of the day sa Akufo Addo ndebusuafo so te sidelines omo twen se ye ne Ghana fo ye mfa tumi ma sankofo mienu wei na akwa wei ene ndebusuafo no because the omo hwehwa ne se ye de tumi be ma Bawumia ye de tumi ebe ma napo na sankofo wei dwirima omudie no omatoa so. A vote for Bawumia is a vote for Akufo Addo. Mahamudu Bawumia ende ontumi nka dollar no ho asem. Busa ho se Bawumia obu. Wa wote swame, wa wote takrade, wa wote yendi, wa wote de Ghana wodwuma osika ahye. Bawumia obu. Senka obu a baby a dollar na bedu a ama osika ahye no anka obeka ho asem. Se Bawumia obu a senia sebie wodwuma nyina egu efrise aban totoye bia anko ye nka eno na beye na koma so asem anka de bia no obeka ho asem se nka Bawumia bu a nyoma akoso keta ahye proye dipakum a sebio ha Ghana fo ama ye yemu hyehye ye koto aba ye suro nyina ne se 2020 ye boni patu Bawumia endwene saade no efrise ohun se wasem enye na asem eye tumi na ope na dia ya ne se senka tumi na ope no ope ema no ankasa ne humpo a ankenye ya Mahamudu Bawumia epe tumi dia Akufo Addo ene nebusuafo Agyapadie fo adenti na yentam tumi ma Bawumia na Bawumia entam tumi ma Akufo Addo adenti na Ghana yete no yentam tumi yemfa ma Bawumia na Bawumia entam tumi no emfa ma Akufo Addo aden die ya fem die yehu ama ende Ghana fo person beti Akufo Addo din a Akufo Addo de by force atam Bawumia abase yentam tumi ma Bawumia indirectly ye de tumi ama no eche ye ne Ghana fo ye nkwasiafo ena sansem we ye bejedi ene Agyapadie busua no e de strategy foforo ba and strategy omo de aba no say ye say omo de Hopeson Adorye ene eye TV3 media general for Akoto. Adentra. You see, I'm waiting for the penny secretary. Ese ode eye Hopeson Adorye any edian media general for Akoto. Adentra omakoka Agyapadie book no asem ni nyina no. Muntie me. A vote for Bawumia is a vote for Akufo Addo. And Okyehene akache the secretary say secretary nko court if say ono Okyehene no so de nanim kwa enkofo be hu se Agyapadie no nanim na daso no eye no kore nti Okyehene ayi nanim e de ama the secretary the secretary the media general ene de Hopeson Adorye akogina court say omo gine 10 million Ghana adentra Hopeson Adorye ene media general for abe discuss Agyapadie book no e wo TV so ma wo ene me yetie now afi oti asieba now obi be hu say oh we dey say court keke na omudi Hopeson Adorye akọ any media general ma men the strategy behind this now sanipa also oye secretary to den amwoti for penyini a or the assembly court no monhwe court document ma men kyerɛw ade bi nipa na or the assembly court your friend Daniel Mafo Ofori Atta ono na se oye amwoti ofori penyini secretary tie go for yo mabodamo amwoti ofori penyini yini secretary se fa ofunaro ne media general court se owakoka Agyapa book no asem enti yenkwaje omu 10 million now ohuni din no your friend Daniel Mafo Ofori Atta ono na ye amwoti ofori penyini the secretary before I move on me be say me catch you say sa case where court no enye secretary na de call ye amweti ofori penyini na de case no court sa Ebuakwahene no ono na edi Hopeson Adorye ene eye media general akọ court. Na ma menkyerɛ trick bi. Won sa abrantie we. Ono ene di Hopeson Adorye akọ court. Ma me enlarge no. Omo nyina the same. Kokoro dangerous. Ma sem abeyifo. Sa abrantie we ene so ono na ye amwetio for panyini. Eye Abuakwahene no ono na any secretary.
Juicy news on YouTube.
Blanketedly.
Hot news all time.
Obiaka wede baba sere. Ordinary court blanketedly. Hey, was the Ghana waiting some ho. Some kwasi afo na wuti obo radio so. Abrantie we one Abuakwahene the secretary. Hopeson Adorye na metunufo a ontie. Metunufo a omekuno, omekuno. Sama catch the Hopeson, omubekun. Otu odidi matem say me ma bi friend Teresa me ma me friend Teresa and papa e Lebanese ni na afibia uchenyi cushion sade endien abrochiri bola omubekun untie mefutuo oyire obe widow obekọ San Francisco se okoye ne to obi di bewom ye tufu a wonte obi aba ma cancer oyire beko California se okoye hye de to na ba aye ne ye obi di beginem wejimi Hopeson me tufu yo mbe ya ma na ko cancer Kevin Taylor intakwa we and also a secretary na monhwa de amanu be say go cancer and some of do. Now this is the guy so ufa eye Agyapadie book na sa akoye a odi Hopeson Adorye any media general akọ ni di wom na anim role o play e book nim on se be din card ni din a kire mo je frɛ no Daniel Mafo Ofori Atta. Now on Agyapadie book no page 21 now ma me reading kyerɛ wo mo yetubu fo amonte ma me reading page 21 na me kyerɛ wo abrante na so de Hopeson Adorye mo akɔ court no ma me kyerɛ wo ni bobre who ready every 2.1 the party the youth and women's wing of our party remains our weakest link. Every effort must therefore be made to get our national organizer to fill in the gap. Same applies to getting Osla to assess the women's wing. The substandard tag on Nana B or Nana Boakye seems to be a perfect description of who he is, per the earlier assessment made by DM Ofori Atta, co-writers of the August 2019 report. Sa book no mo kyerɛ no for repenyin fie no sa amwetio for repenyin secretary no omo no lead the writing of the book. He is a co-writer of the book. And the co-writer of the book who represent amwetia today has taken media general and Hopeson Adorye to court. These people are dangerous. They are bad people. Now I'm going to show you why they have taken this decision. Why I'm waiting for the page akoshe the co-writer of the book echi to say the Hopeson Adorye any media general court. Don't just see it say the media general court. There is a twist to it. I'm sure what there. The reason why almost say the Hopeson Adorye any media general court no one, they want to gag every media house from discussing Agyapadie book. And no. Tie. Sir, this thing you are seeing on the screen, say, Okyehene ana Abuakwahene at the Hopeson Adorye TV3 Echo Court. The omo pese omo ye ne say, omo pese omo di ehu Ghana media houses ni nyinemu, especially omo willing to discuss no. Send ye be ya obi ni wa obe read Agyapadie book no radio so TV so. Because ene sa case where court no say NDC communicated via TV3 say or discuss Agyapadie make say please we have a case on that book in court. Say NDC communicated via multimedia say or discuss Agyapadie book make say please there's a case on that book we cannot verify so please we don't want to discuss this on our channel. Say NDC communicator ko inshira FM channel panana jantoa or ye MPP ni on person be kan correct so a obeka say abrantie mesrew ende de yentumi nke Agyapadie ho asem because Hopeson Adorye kra any TV3 ya de ye de omko court. It is a blanketedly designed strategy I blanketedly the Boros are word, no. It's this strategy is designed to gag Ghana. Senya beya the media conversation. Ghana media ebie nkofweni ema Akufo Addo nebusuafo yehu bone omudi. They want to strategically gag everybody. Senya beya you will not get anybody discussing Agyapadie book no Ghana. And that is their modus operandi. That is what they have done since they came to power. Mamembusa question be. Na yente ha. Ena KKD ekotena Joy News. Discussi Agyapadie detailing. Use very straight, emphatic, and unprintable words. Obo obia o book ni di ewe Agyapadie. So why didn't they sue KKD? KKD onyedipa. KKD was on multimedia, and not just multimedia. He has been on several media houses. He's spoken on Agyapadie book. He has analyzed and broken down the codes. Why didn't the secretary to Okyehene sue KKD, but mysteriously and surprisingly decided to sue only Hopeson Adorye and TV3? Because the idea is not to find anything that will benefit Ghana. The idea is to gag the whole Ghana media. Were we not here? And Professor from Paul Boateng a report about Bontene. Ekachire said, Nana Addo Kweku Addo, your woman, national women's organizer, or your illegal miner, or your galamsey. Your Ashanti regional chairman, or your illegal miner, or your galamsey. Your own Okyehene Dakwa is involved in galamsey. Your own Kweku Bako. The day a professor from Paul Boateng document in here, the next day, what did Okyehene Dakwa do? Okyehene Dakwa at the professor from Paul Boateng Echo Court. What did he try doing? He tried to gag the guy. Send a bear professor from Paul Boateng cannot go to any media house to grant interviews to tell Ghanaians exactly, detailing stuff. And that wasn't just targeting Professor from Paul Boateng, it was targeting Ghana media. The day Gabi Kaso or different Paul Boateng Ako Court, the media ceased to discuss that matter. Mabese busa o sa case na Gabi di from Paul Boateng court no akwesi saying it is the same strategy Okyehene Akufo Addo they are using on Agyapadie, but I swear to God this TV station
hot news all time.
We will discuss Agyapadie into detail every single day. No media house in Ghana has viewers than my TV station. No media house in Ghana has more intelligent presenters on social political issues than any person on my TV. We will break it down. If they are going to gag Ghana, they cannot gag Loud Silence TV. This should tell you something. These people are bent on destroying you, Ghana. May catch them. Mwa hemfo na moto so MPP nkwasi ade so. Mwa hemfo na mu frefra ntoma di nkwasi asem wo Ghana. Eso so nkwasi afo nkwasi asem. Agite ya mu ne bekum first. Mo ahemfo no nkwasi afo di bi na motete Ghana na MPP di nkwasi asem a ende mo da wotete wo ka kire mo se omo nkoye campaign na mo ntom campaign no etija mo ne betwa muti. Mo na mo so sa nkwasi asem we so wo Ghana. Mo asofo na motete Ghana na mudidi politicians echi enkwasi asem ekoso so agite ya mo ne betwa muti. And it is going to happen because muni Ghana at heart. We will discuss Agyapadie from page 1 to the last page. Myself, Akoto, free mind, every independent-minded person to say, Mr. Article, Sulemana, on Truth, Straight Talk, we will break it down in Hausa, in Fanti, in Chi. We will make sure we get people who know other languages to break Agyapadie down. Akufo Addo, Okyehene, they are the people who are behind Agyapadie. They want to destroy Ghana. From Okyehene, you will not hear any media house speak on Agyapadie. Ahankwa na obeti say yeke Agyapadie ho asem, because that is Okyehene Dakon's style of operating. Agyapadie no, muhu detailed breakdown in your life. I will do it myself. And I will do it consistently to the day you go and vote. Every day. I will read every page. Mechanic kasa. I'm a Ghana for you who would deep for Akufo Addo Ofori Penny Fie. How dangerous those people are. From Ochina, you will not hear any media house discuss Agyapadie again. That's it. Who adenta how a kumsen. I keep telling Ghana for get with your friend Akosia menu. Makana samwaha. The reason why I ended Nostradamus way. The reason why cheap, filthy, weak-minded, desperate street girls like these want to lead Adenta and say, Ghana for you mumbudu ye Jimmy. Way the reason why into our MPP say or worry mark menu ba into Jansen or Kobo ebe relevant. This Nostradamus. And the attitude and her level of thinking, you have to say how Akumsin. On your friend Adenta how Akumsin no. And what has she achieved when it comes to intellectualism and even life? Do I understand? So, oh yeah, deputy spokesperson for Rebecca Akufo Addo. Now Rebecca don't want kasa. Why ne kasa mano? Rebecca don't want any mercy. Into wine a bit to kasa mano. Now, this filthy thing, and some of them are NPP4 have introduced into our politics, all because politics has become so cheap. Because we have moved away from the morals, and money paya nyansafo also di dominim to what we call money spreading and filthy political jandam. So these weak, lazy-mind girls who could not even succeed with a very weak company like Max International. It was a Ponzi scheme. Max International. Besides, there's a video, you need to get me that video. It was a Ponzi scheme. This girl, in any serious country, she has to be, or sanke jailino, by 15 years. They led group of young people, at the end of the day, misled them and stole money from Ghanaians. She went to hide and came back and said, me MPP ni, me pese me bedi Adenta, almighty Adenta so. This Nostradamus, this Adenta Hawakumsin wants to lead intelligent people. And then the people of Adenta, with all due respect, one of the most learned constituency in Ghana. One of the most learned constituencies in Ghana. For such a cheap riffraff because of dirty politics. Now, she posted something on social media. And this is what she posted on social media. She was trying to be smart. But naturally, she wasn't born smart. She was born as a party helper. Her relevance in the MPP is because yase makmenu ba ene dino inti also betuma ye MP. Listen. Inti this Nostradamus went on social media to post this. Adenta for God damn it. I say, according to the umbrella gangs shift system, according to the umbrella gangs shift system, there are infinite possibilities when it comes to the hours you can do. They fail to add. I, however, believe it's intentional. What can you earn? Now, I'll say, for example, if your salary is 1,500 Ghana cedis and you now have to share with 2 others, your take home will be how much? The correct answer gets 3 umbrellas and 2 dressed guinea fowls. You also get a heavily used car that was given to some influencers in 2016. We will change the car tires for you. Have a fantastic day. Thank you very much, Nostradamus. So, Abayiwa way understanding of 24-hour economy in the say. We're not person parliament, no. I have a friend I'm in a school. A friend is sometimes he's in the States here. And I just say, Kevin, I go share me be my padio. Sometimes the things they do here, I know she's dumb, but you know, this is politics. Leave her a little bit. I almost listened to that, my friend. That, my friend, he lives in Delaware. Almost. So, Kevin, you know this girl, all the girls with the use, but it'd be like the tension here too much. You know, she don't be smart like that, but you know politics. I almost listened to my friend. Now, go away, add your watch, understanding and say. Ono understand is a 24-hour economy no. Sa shift system a eya 3 no. O say oh. Say obi fa nipa miensa adwuma. That means say nipa sebio yefa nipa mienu ka nipa baako na oye adwuma no ho a. Se na etua nipa no 1500 Ghana. Yafa sa nipa mienu aka on ni pay no yebete so. We omo Jimmy. They don't know anything and they don't want to lower their ego for people to teach them. When a person called parliament, this is how she understands the shift system. This is how she, or 24-hour economy. And she said, Obi a juma company mim near 20,500. Say a fa nipa mienu sa kan ho so mo be juma na ejuma no enye juma ma de nchia. Sa nipa 1,500 etua ne kan no omo bete so we Jimmy. God damn it. Wey. And so be gina stage. To man no nko parliament. How akumsin wey. Adenta how akumsin. These are daft girls. Eye de show man han emu na de mo beduru ha o. Nyansa. This is a trashy human being. Ebe yese wote adenta sama sorry say. Sa kwara gidigiti wey jantra na de na beduru antime top abama no. She cannot understand simple shift system. Nanka we Jimmy Kura nanka fa phone. Na fra America, fra UK bu some say. Na mo shift system na mo ye no. Yeti mu pay so. Ye fa nipa wo madwuma mu a na say mo shift no ye change ni nipa be kan yeti mu pay so ana we Jimmy Kura no. We Jimmy Kura, we Jimmy a wo hwene so. We Jimmy a wo hwene so a anadwo ne be ma da ho a kire ordinary mu hwe ban no. We Jimmy Kura nanka fa phone data ne bo onye din. Na fra bro check say muna mo shift system o ebi kwa anopa ebi kwa ewia enti ye fa nipa be kam ho a aya mo pay ne yete so we Jimmy. How can we build this nation with this group of nicompoons, this group of shallow, weak-minded, kitchen bulb, low voltage individuals? We and adenta for kosala ya kwato abama ne said ye nkodi animo parliament. This is her understanding of 24-hour economy and the shift system. And nothing I will say, what is the meaning of review? Jimmy, the foolish ones, you know, and portray say, yeah, the Akko school. How can this? How can you, Oba Wafe, Sawawo? How can you be reasoning like this? Inti, say, you create a shift system. That means say the moment a shift system no or say it will be paid so you are foolish. Now nurses no go hospitals shift system no. Yakwati will be paid so. Nurse for mo kolebu a ebi kwa no pa ewia na enwumbre na omo ye shift no. Yakwa kwati will be paid so. Kwasi aba inkoforom go Jubilee House no mo ye shift system no. Ebi ba no pa na we security na ebi akono. The moment e be for before no yeti obi paid so. These fools all want to enter parliament because Akufo Addo amana ye fo. Erade Nyankopon. I have mistake oh. I have mistake. And these are the people. These are the ones in Ghana. Omunya opportunity anomo pese omudi intellectuals omunim nyansa omo makoye omu PhD papa bi eye surgeons. Such a dirty girl like this. Na ono pese one a whole surgeon like Madam Dr. Ayensu Ebetri back and forth. This thing, baby Joey, Anyanjire Mbola bed way. Na your course school tina ye be Ghana for no. Na mujin say yentafre ana. Anyanjire Mbola bed way. And because politics are funti way ever snack of parliament, she does not even understand shift system. Hwene way. Erade. Way ni adenta for omunim nyansa ne nsori anopa. Say we ko parliament ye ko sala akoko ntokwa atu ama we. Anyanjire Mbola bed we. Na adwene ewu omomom kwan eme enkyire omade. Do omunim an so ma hye dross omabo Brazil omotwi oma no no nam kurum. How did we get here? How did we allow such things? And people like these want to insult John Mahama. So be na ka de niechio se de tini ye de ahwedan mu ma ne nichi apayo. These things yenya butra ho Anyanjire Mbola bed we.
Yo wetivo we ne Serwaa Abameto ye so na ka wo say GCD so na wo hwe no So when you subscribe, we are more say over subscribe. No, I like it. Nothing so was share video no ama for any be after. Also, betting actually what you have and so we now will comment boxing. Waiting in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.